The sound of rain. The sound of rain is one of the most soothing and calming natural melodies. It has a unique ability to evoke a sense of tranquility and relaxation. The sound of rain serves as a comforting ambient background noise that can mask other sounds and distractions. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, listening to the rain can create a sense of insulation from the outside world, fostering relaxation and focus. The sound of rain can evoke feelings of harmony and unity with nature, promoting a sense of peace and well-being. The beauty of raining lies in its ability to evoke a range of emotions, from introspection and nostalgia to wonder and awe, as it shapes and transforms the world around us.